What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Mantelligence. Time and time again, we've been told there are plenty of fish in the sea, and that what's meant for you will always be for you. And while these can be true, we can also believe it pays to be proactive when dating. In today's episode, we're not just teaching you how to win her heart, we're also teaching you how to make any woman fall in love with you. Because let's face it, it's a competition out there. This episode's inspired by a similar video we made for our Mantelligence dating channel, where we break down all the ways to make a girl fall in love with you. By the end of this video, we'll also be revealing the number one thing men do that scare women off. If you want to know how to get a girl and how to impress a girl, keep watching.
Number 5, position yourself as a high power.
Women are initially attracted to men of power. So if you're wondering how to make someone fall deeply in love with you and win her heart, you've got to give off a big demeanor of energy. According to Dr. Sarah Nasser-Zadeh, a highly accredited psychosexual therapist, many women perceive men as difficult to control, let alone someone influential, strong, powerful, and highly regarded within the society. Therefore, some women having a relationship with such a person could be a boost of their confidence. It would mean that everyone else would see the woman who could tame such a powerful creature and is perhaps the only person who would see his vulnerable side, Nasser-Zadeh explained. So if you want girls to chase you, you've got to boost your social value and status. How would you do that, you might ask?
For one, refine your body movements. Avoid jerky movements when you move your arms, head, or walk around. Be fluid and practice walking like James Bond. Eye contact is also important. To increase your social value, maintain eye contact whenever you greet people and make conversation. When you speak, use a confident but calm voice. Practice speaking clearly, calmly, and with command. When you're out with people or a girl, make sure to take up space. Display open body language and move with the same comfort as when you're home alone. Lastly, don't just say things to seek approval. If you're on a date with a girl, make better conversation by providing valuable information instead of agreeing to everything she says. Want to know how to make any girl fall deeply in love with you? Check out this video where we break down the tricks to get girls to chase you. Number 4, get vulnerable.
After successfully positioning yourself as a high value, it's time to show her your caring and soft side. Establishing a genuine emotional connection with a woman is one of the most important ways to win her heart. If you want to know how to get a girl to fall deeply in love with you, aside from physical attraction, connecting to her on a deeper level is one of the quickest ways to get a girl to instantly like you. According to psychologist Jim Taylor, a lack of emotional openness can explain why two people do or don't click. In fact, a study found that expressiveness and openness are desirable and important traits in ideal companions. Being emotionally connected means feeling seen by one another and having shared feelings of romantic attachment. Also, part of showing your soft side is revealing your flaws from time to time. Do you know about the pratfall effect? It's a psychological phenomenon that states that people who are considered highly competent are found to be more likable when they perform a typical blunder than those who don't.
A perfect example of this is actress Jennifer Lawrence. She's an A-list Hollywood star, yet she's unapologetically herself and isn't embarrassed to make mistakes, even in the midst of other celebrities. I mean, even superheroes have weaknesses. When you make a mistake, you appear more human and more likable. So don't worry about keeping a perfect image of yourself all the time. Be confident, but stay human. Want to know more ways to win her heart? Watch this video where we teach you how to get girls to instantly like you. Number 3, small things matter.
If you want to know how to make a girl fall in love with you again and again, remember that small things matter. We always put our best foot forward during the first stages of a budding relationship. However, when all is said and done and we finally got the girl, we men tend to get complacent. We stop taking them out for dates, put less effort into our relationship, and stop doing sweet things for our girls. Once you find a keeper, the best way to win her heart forever is to keep doing things that will make her happy. It doesn't have to be grand. Women appreciate anything as long as it's genuine. The little things can mean everything in a relationship. According to psychologist Aaron Ben-Zeev, in any genuine long-term loving relationship, we give greater romantic weight to the small gestures that show us evidence of love beyond the brief time spent in sex.
Love is not one big gesture. It's rather a combination of a million little things expressed in pleasant and kind daily actions, Ben-Zeev explained. So if you're wondering how to make any woman fall deeply in love with you again and again, check out this video where we shared more sweet things to do for your girl.
We have 2 more items on our list of ways to win her heart, but before we continue teaching you how to make any woman fall deeply in love with you, I just want to remind you that at the end of this video, we're also revealing the number one thing men do to scare women off. If you want to win her heart, keep watching.
Number 2, share her passion.
If you're wondering how to make a girl deeply fall in love with you instantly, share her passions. You don't have to like it, you just got to enjoy it with her from time to time. A substantial body of research reveals we're attracted to people we perceive as similar to ourselves. Among shared traits, however, some of us attract more than others. Consequently, a more focused issue relates to the extent of interpersonal similarity, particularly when the similarity concerns a trait, attitude, or interest that is uncommon. Hans Alves, the researcher, notes that the basic human need to affiliate may lead people to seek validation through others who share their attitudes.
Number 1, sweet, sweet love. While it's not the most important factor, your sex life can impact her love for you. If you want to make her head over heels, you must hit all the right spots. Bedroom behaviors that focus more on her than you will make her feel special and appreciated. Here's a tip. Light up a scented candle. Yale psychologist John Bargh studied priming and found that attraction is linked to temperatures, and lighting a scented candle is the best way to get warm and cozy with your girl. Thank me later.
Now that you know how to make any woman fall deeply in love with you, it's time we reveal the number one thing men do to scare any woman off. Gentlemen, never pressure a woman to love you. Couple therapist Lex Brown James said it's important not to pressure the other person to get there before they're ready. Avoid doing things that feel inauthentic, unsustainable, and forced, because it can always feel like a betrayal when one person feels that love is owed to them as a reward for behavior.
Do you know any more ways to win her heart? Share your tips and tricks in the comments section below.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Check out this video where we break down tricks to get girls to chase you.